What up, guys? So with the help of a friend, I made some pillable designs. And that friend is Miss Lunares. We collabed on this pin, and she did like the hands, and then I did a little skeleton. And thanks to Wizard Pins, they hooked me up with a bunch of them, and I'm going to be giving them away for free to you guys. Cool. So do you guys remember the little Gambino pin that I made that like peeled off? Well, that's the idea to do with this one. So first off, I had to make like the peelable part, which I used screen printing ink to do that. And I mixed it up using a playing card and a knife. Whoops. Got the color right, added some blue. And to thin it down, I added some curable reducer, which just makes it more liquidy and easier to paint on. So the hand part's gonna be like that pinkish color, and the little thumbnail is gonna be blue. So once I got the colors right, I started to paint on with a tiny little paintbrush. So after painting it, I just used a heat gun to cure the ink, and there we go. This one was harder than the Gambino pin, because on the Gambino pin I was trying to just make it look like goo and not like a hand, but it still peeled off and looked cool. So I'll be giving those away, and I wanted to give away something alongside those pins, and so I made this print. Neat. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I made that print. I basically just screen printed on with screen printing ink, making the base layer the thing that I wanted to show up after you peel it off, and adding white and all the colors. Also, I'm in the process of bleaching my hair, so that's something. Hi. But anyways, so just printed it up and just added all the colors. This print ended up being like a 6-color print. It was pretty cool because I'm almost using all of my heads on my press. And there we go. So I take that print and then I just cut it up. So I'll be giving away 100 of these art prints and 50 of the pins on Instagram and on Twitter. So go ahead and check those out. Everything's at Shmood. Big thank you to Alithia for helping me out with the design, and Wizard Pins. They are going to hook you up with a $50 discount if you use the discount code Shmood. And then you can get a rad pin like this. I'm super pumped on the detail that they were able to get on the wolf pin. And I'm going to add it to my Patreon, so if you guys want to support me there, grab a pin, you can get that. And you can also get a $75 discount from Wizard Pins, and I'll put the discount code on there exclusive for Patreons. So, cool. Thanks, guys.